안녕하세요 몬스터님들, 개마마입니다. 저 오늘 어디 왔게요? 트레일러계의 진정한 명품 에어스트림에 왔습니다. 저희가 원래 클래스 B 타입의 캠퍼밴을 사려고 계획을 했었어요. 클래스 B 타입은 원래 가격대가 좀 있었는데 팬데믹 이후로 가격이 거의 배로 올라 사려면 1,500년 걸리겠더라고요. 그래서 가격이 캠퍼밴보다는 저렴한 트레일러로 방향을 틀어봤습니다. 저희가 1순위로 눈에 두고 있는 모델은 에어스트림사의 밴비 16. 16피트의 작은 사이즈의 트레일러예요. 근데 오늘 모델이 플로어에 없다고 하네요. 그래서 밴비 16의 업그레이드 버전인 캐러벨 16을 보기로 했습니다. 밴비 16과 같은 구조에 많은 것이 업그레이드 되어 있는 모델이에요.
Correct. Yeah, it's a big upgrade. Correct. Has the rock guards. 4,300 pounds.
What about the Bambi?
The Bambi's 3,500.
35.
Is it automatic awning or is it?
No. So these ones they have an option, but it's just a nice shade for the inside. You're not gonna really hang out here much, but it's just a nice shade. Yeah. But same with this side too. The kitchen. So just a nice little shade for the inside there.
Pretty easy, just pull it
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. And then this is cool too. But the other side, the bigger awning, it's a manual that you pull out and it's 7 feet.
7 feet.
Yeah, it's a pretty good size.
And then is that the gray tank and
So that's all down here.
Oh, sorry.
Down the team, it's all combined.
All combined.
So the black and the gray tank are combined into one.
Okay.
You have a separate freshwater tank,
Yeah.
but they're both the black and gray are combined.
Okay.
At least it's not a cassette.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate cassette. 여기서 잠깐. 카세트 타입의 화장실이 뭐냐면요. 화장실에서 나오는 오물이 통에 차면 사람이 손으로 통을 빼서 비워줘야 하는 거예요. 저희는 블랙탱크 화장실을 선호하는 편이에요. 오물이 차면 파이프를 끼워서 비워내는 형식이죠. 각각 장단점은 있고요. 개인 취향일 뿐입니다.
You just have a hose that you connect
So
to it.
that's the one, right?
Yeah.
What is this one?
This is the heater.
Oh, that's a heater.
This is the heater. So this can get hot. You have the
Okay.
heater on.
Okay, and then that's outdoor shower.
Outdoor shower, yeah.
And
Yep, this is where you fill the. If you're going to a place that doesn't have water hookup,
I see.
put the water.
Do you guys like
Okay.
install the hitches too or no?
We do, yeah.
히치는 자동차와 트레일러를 연결하는 고리예요.
Not with the Mercedes. No. Not with Mercedes.
We get everywhere.
It's so much like Mercedes, BMW, Land Rover. Their wiring is so much more complicated.
Yeah, like a couple.
You just got to find the right person to do it. And I think Mercedes would be willing to do it. I would. That'd be the only place I would recommend. I mean, I know that.
The size of a double.
Is it?
I mean, we'll barely fit, but.
한번 여기 앉아볼래? 여기? 괜찮아? 이게 윈도우가 얘네는 파노라믹 뷰야. 이렇게 쫙. 약간 이게 작잖아. 근데 시원해 보이지. 후드도 있고.
Microwave, no TV.
야, TV 있어.
Oh, that TV.
뒤에 봐. 이게 이렇게 있고.
Tent camping. Yeah.
Awesome.
But then it gets a little, like grimy on
Totally,
summertime,
yeah,
you know. The second day, you're like, oh, I want to take a shower. So we've been looking for a while now, you know, and then this pandemic hit,
Yeah.
changes everything.
Changed everything, yeah.
So initially we're looking at plastic for sure.
They're very expensive. Very expensive. A lot of than something like this.
Yeah,
They're a lot different.
I really like that.
Honey, they have a curtain here.
Oh.
So we don't have to cover all the windows when we take a shower, you know? 침실 부분도 파노라믹 뷰 통창으로 돼 있어요. 여기 두 명이 잘 수 있을까? 여기 친구도 있고.
Well, at first, as it's nice thing, I want to go left, so I turn to the left, you know. But it's the opposite. And I guess when you take it for the wheel around, kind of see where it moves, or see where the trailer goes, and you'll make it. It'll the first back into the first spot will take you long.
Yeah.
You know, but after you'll. Yeah, it's definitely a learning curve for sure.
Honey, you wanna check out the TV and then make sure it moves around?
Yeah, there's a little strap that you can pull down that would move the TV around.
Ah.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, there we go.
So you could sit right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Nice, thank you. Where's the AC?
Up
Is
here.
is that the AC?
So the air conditioner comes out of here. So this is where you can rotate it around. You can like close it, open these. There's two more back here.
Oh, nice.
So like this is air. These are air out,
Okay.
and then this is air in.
So- okay, got it.
So it circulates.
Circulate. Okay.
And then there's like the Bambi,
Mm-hmm.
where the Bambi isn't gonna have this ducted system.
Oh.
It's gonna have a unit right here that just blows straight down.
Yeah.
So it's a little more efficient with the space, but it also quiets it down a little
Yeah.
bit.
That's a big difference.
And the headroom.
Yeah.
'Cause these will stick down like
Yeah.
that.
Wow. Whoa, it's huge.
So this table, keep that as a
Right.
bed, keep it down, and then still have this
Oh,
space to
nice.
eat.
So that's so much bigger.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my god, love
This is
it.
what size is
It's 20 feet,
20.
and it's 4,300 pounds.
This is a lot spacious than the Caravel. Okay, so they have a microwave.
Have you guys looked into RV storage at all?
No, not yet.
No, not yet. Cool.
Oh,
Of course, if you find indoors, it's going to be the
Yeah.
most expensive.
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, we haven't really thought about that, but
There was
it'd be
so
nice if
many.
we just park it on that
I
driveway.
know.
You know what I
I
mean?
know. What kind of dogs do you guys have? Okay, great. Yeah. Yeah.
But isn't that cool? Like you can open the back door. 와, 이건 좋다, 그치? Whoa! I'm sorry, what size is it?
It's 24 feet.
24. Wow. Wow. So this is 24, right? The storage.
So what's the MSRP on this?
This is the Tommy Bahama edition, 235.
235?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or
We have our bigger one, our class B plus, the Atlas.
mm-hmm.
Those are close to 300.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
All of this space, the couch is really butted up.
So you said the Bambi doesn't have the bumper.
Correct, but it still has all this. So this is really big. And
Wow.
This is all accessible from the inside too.
Oh, from inside too.
Yeah.
Nice.
Chair.
Yeah. So we can put all the camping gears here and then.
What's the price on these?
Was it 72 or
74.
74? Okay. And then the Bambi is a 60, right?
61,
61 or 2. Okay.
Right around there. They do the panoramic windows in the front. Why not upgrade it to have them? It really opens it up.
Mm-hmm.
When you see a Bambi, like say without any lights on, it's a little dark.
Oh.
Like this,
Yeah.
it's a little bit brighter.
Yeah.
Just because of the windows.
What?
Yeah, it's probably from like the 70s, 70s. Yeah, that front window broke, so they just replaced it with a new window.
Yeah, that window looks new.
I know. Whoa.
Cool thing, kind of where the first Airstream.
Wow, 1910. Wow.
So yeah, you're 3,500 pounds.
3,500 pounds. Really?
No.
No,
I thought it was 5,000. I was said 35.
not from what I see here. But
And there's some others down the line you wanted to, but you're not gonna be. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
oh, cool! You got a little awning on your.
Yeah.
We
That's
just
awesome.
got it. We just got it.
Cool.
어닝 영상은 여기 클릭.
The hitch as well, and yeah, I don't know what
Yeah.
Mercedes would do.
Hi, baby.
But yeah, I would reach out to Mercedes, and then if they have somebody they'd recommend.
I think
but
that's
again,
the
you
first
don't-
thing we gotta do.
Yeah. you don't- But yeah, let me know what you
Okay.
find out
Yeah.
about this,
Yeah.
of course.
친절하신 제레미님 덕에 너무 잘 구경할 수 있었어요. 여러분, 저희 트레일러 곧 살 수 있을까요?
I know that you are having a